Hello traders, welcome back to Simply Forex. I hope you had a lovely weekend. Today is Monday the 19th of June, just in case you're not sure. And today, guys, as always, we're going to look back at Friday's trades. We're going to look at today's potential trades, and we're going to look at the important news for today as well. All right, so let's get started. So first of all, guys, Euro against the Swiss franc. This is what we were looking at on Friday. And I still like this trade. I feel like I've been talking about this trade for 12 years. But I like it, guys. Yeah, it's a nice area. So price was in a downtrend. This is why I like it so much. Yeah. And price eventually broke out of this range. Yeah. It was in this kind of downtrend stroke range. Okay, when we get this big green candle that breaks out of these highs, this area of resistance, yeah, I'm just all over buying this pair. I love on a day chart. I get my teeth in. I love a freshly broken trend, and this. Soon as this candle happens, that is a freshly broken trend because you're getting in on the start of the trend. Yeah, you know, the risk to reward could be excellent. You know, you're getting in at the start. So that's why I like a freshly, you know, broken high or freshly broken low on the day chart. Okay, so that's why we like it structurally. And then if you look at the wicks, guys, you know, there's lots of the candles were, you know, pushing away from these levels. Buyers were in here at these levels, guys. I know we had this wick. Yeah, but again, I just love the fact that this is freshly broken. Yeah, this is fresh meat. Okay, or whatever you eat, fresh vegetables. All right. And on Friday, guys, we had a bullish candle. So this again will be a trade idea. Yeah, we still like this trade idea. Okay, so, you know, that's the reasons we liked it, guys. All right. If we drop down to the H1 now, where could we get in? So to be honest with you guys, on Friday, and to, you know, to be quite transparent, the last week has been a tricky week for me in the markets. So yesterday, I just, you know, kind of spent a day washing hedging trades. Okay, but you know, let's take a look at Euro Swiss franc and see where we could have entered. And for me, guys, yeah, you know, once price comes down, yeah, and then we sort of break this level here, yeah, we're getting, you know, a H1 structure break. Okay, so the structure break doesn't happen until we break this high, really. Okay, so we could enter on this candle. Okay, put your stop below here. I'm still in this trade. I've been in this trade for days. Yeah, and my stop's at 9744 in here. All right, so I'm nicely in profit as we speak. And also, guys, because of this candle, I added to my trade. Okay, so this is a better entry for me. Yeah, we could have entered on this candle, but this candle is a better entry because, you know, what's happened, guys, is you've broken resistance. Yeah, and then when price comes back down and tests it, what was once resistance becomes good support. And how many times, guys, do I say that? Yeah, literally every other day. So, you know, this candle was a nice candle to enter on. If you wanted to be aggressive, you could enter here and put your stop below this candle. Okay, so it depends what your strategy and what your risk management is. But yeah, here, you know, or here would make sense for your stops. And yeah, price is coming back up. My first target is up here, which hasn't quite hit yet. But I'll close some money up here, you know, 80%. And then leave 20% to run. So still in this trade, guys, all right? But looking good. And that daily candle also looks good. So, yeah, still like this trade for buys, all right? So that was Euro Swiss franc from Friday. We also had Euro New Zealand. Okay, so let's find that, guys. So yeah, let's start with the day chart. So as you can see, yeah, we are in a downtrend. We had this real, big move up, but then ever since then, it's been breaking down. Okay. And this is where we find ourselves in a downtrend. Okay. I like this because we had this wick as well. So we've had a wick that's rejected that level. So sellers are pushing it down from this grey zone, which we have highlighted. So that's why we were looking for shorts. But also on Friday, yeah, we've had another big rejection at that level. So again, this trade is still intact and still shorts are on the cards. All right. So that was the idea, guys. If we look at the H1 now, because this is what we enter on. So remember the criteria we had, guys. Yeah, if you remember back to Friday, we could break this level, get a retest, and then we take it lower. Obviously, that never happened, guys. All right. Or we could get a reaction up here at this level, and then we could start shorting this pair. So, this candle is a nice candle. I know it's a bullish candle. Yeah, but look at that wick. Again, wicks give you so much information, guys. Yeah, I love a wick. Okay, so that is rejecting that area of resistance. Buyers have bought it up and sellers have gone, yeah, technical term. So that candle alone is a good, a good candle to enter on, enter here, put your stop above here, and realistically, you have to take price back down to here because this is the first area where you're going to have proper support. All right, but you would have got your 1:1. If that wasn't bearish enough, you did have this candle, but then, it doesn't make sense because you're selling into support. Yeah, the risk to reward doesn't make sense. So this candle doesn't make sense. This candle does. So yeah, maybe you got in this candle. And when we always like to hear from you guys, if you're like, Tom, I took the Euro New Zealand trade or the Euro Swiss franc, let us know, guys. I would love to see your trades. You can do it on the Discord channel, guys. Come join our free Discord channel. The link is in the video description, and you can leave all of your chart ideas and what you traded in there and share it with other traders, guys. So check that out. So yeah, this would have been the candle to enter on, guys, and you would have got a nice risk to reward of 1:1 already. And then finally, guys, is pound Aussie dollar. Okay, so this trade is one of the hedges I've been trying to get out of, and my God, this has given me grey hair, guys. I ended up closing this trade for around a 2.2% loss, guys. Okay, it's just been a bastard. All right, so we were still looking to short it on Friday. Yeah, let me explain why. Let's look at the day chart. So even on Friday, guys, yeah, it still looked good. Yeah, it still looks good, really. Yeah, we're in a downtrend. Okay, we got, both of these candles are bearish. So we're looking for a little bit of a retrace to take back down to potentially this level or even this level. Okay, so we were with trend. Candlesticks were telling us to short this pair as well. And we were, coming out of an important, what was once support is now resistance level. Yeah, there were lots of things to like about this trade, but that's trading, guys. You can have, you can have what seems like the perfect trade. Everything is aligned and it still doesn't work out. Yeah, that's just how trading goes sometimes. So if we drop down to the H1, guys. So I was still trying to get out of my hedge. Yeah, so this candle, yeah, I tried to short again on Friday, guys. All right. And, price just come up and took me out again. Okay. Because, I mean, if you look at the structure, guys, yeah, I've been trying to enter it from over here. Yeah. This was my first short over here. Then it's come up. We think we're breaking down and then bang. Yeah. Okay, then we think we're coming down again. We get some nice action in here, bang. You know, we think we're coming down again. You know, we're getting these bearish candles in here, bang. Yeah, I don't like pound Aussie dollar for the last week or so. Okay, so yeah, ever since it broke this, yeah, I just took a loss on this individual trade and a loss on the hedge overall, guys. Like I say, about just over 2%. So yeah, been horrendous trade. But you know, like I say, there was this candle here, you know, that reacted at these last H1 highs. There, that would have been a potential trade, but you would have got stopped out. And then, you know, there are these candles here. There's this candle here, which is reacting with these last highs. So that could have been a potential good trade, guys. Yeah, enter here, put your stop above here, and you would be in profit so far. All right, but yeah, pound Aussie dollar has been my nemesis. If I'm Batman, this has been the Joker. Yeah, what an apt name. So guys, yeah, those were the trade ideas from Friday. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoyed the recap, maybe you took one of the trades, then come join us. Yeah, subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button. And if everyone right now could just spend 2 seconds smashing the like button, guys. 2 seconds. Thank you very much. Yeah, help support the channel, guys. So thank you. So trades for Monday, the 19th of June. Before we get started, guys, let me just tell you a few cool things our channel does. So first of all, guys, we've got a free Discord channel. It's free and there's cool stuff on there. Yeah, you've got trade ideas, you've got indicators, you've got useful links, books, you know, chit chat with other traders, guys. Come join our free Discord. Secondly, guys, we've got the VIP Discord. So in the VIP Discord, you do have to pay, but you get access to me throughout the trading day, as in you can ask me questions whenever you like. I give you my trade ideas as and when they happen. Yeah, you get exclusive content. We talk a lot about hedging. And you also get access to a performance coach. So there are lots of things to like on the VIP channel, guys. Come sign up. Secondly, guys, what is second? My mentorship program. Yeah, if you would like to be coached one-on-one with myself, then drop us an email and we'll send you all the information about our mentorship program. The email is on our channel somewhere or in the Discord. Thirdly, guys, if you watch these videos every day and you would like to show your support, then you can join YouTube membership. Yeah, there's some cool little perks to joining. It's only a small amount of money. So come join our YouTube membership, guys. And what's the last thing, guys? Yeah, don't forget the live streams today, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 8 a.m. New York EST time. Come join us for that. Get all of your questions ready and I will answer all of them. Right. Okay, guys. So yeah, enough of all that. Yeah. So if you're interested in any of that, guys, all the information is in the video description. So trades for Monday, the 19th of June, guys. So I just want to show you not much has changed on from Friday. I remember talking to you about, you know, US dollar weakness and yen weakness. All right. So, you know, look at this is Aussie dollar, US dollar. It's just difficult for me to trade these pairs. Yeah. Look how far away it is from the moving average 20. Yeah. If you had an RSI indicator, I'm sure that would be around the 70 mark, which means overbought. All right. So difficult for me to trade these US dollar pairs. Euro, US dollar, you know, still very overbought. Yeah, I need a retrace before I come back up to make this worthwhile so that I get value, guys. Yeah, let's look at another one. Pound US dollar. Yeah, I mean, look at that. Just totally overbought at the moment, guys. So yeah, US dollar pairs not on the cards for me today. I need a retrace before I can start looking at these pairs. And it's the same with the yen pairs, guys. I mean, just look at any yen pair. Aussie dollar yen. I mean, look at that. That is a bull run. Yeah, totally bullish. But again, just so overbought. Again, RSI, that would well be in the 70s, if not more. Yeah, I need a retrace before we come higher. Okay, let's look at another yen pair. Let's look at Swiss franc, Japanese yen. Yeah, just very overbought. Again, need a retrace for me to start being able to buy these pairs. Interestingly, though, guys, my first trade idea today is US dollar against the Japanese yen, and I'm looking to buy this pair. So if you think about that, guys, I've just explained to you that US dollar and Japanese yen are super weak at the moment. But if I'm looking to buy US dollar, Japanese yen, I think the yen is the weakest. Yeah, it's weaker than the US dollar. So why am I looking to buy this, guys? Well, this isn't crazy overbought. Yeah, we're still in an uptrend. Yeah, on the day chart. Okay, on US dollar, Japanese yen. You know, here's the moving average 20. It's not overbought. It's not a million miles away from, you know, the moving average 20. So it's fine in terms of value. And, you know, we've got this bullish candle, guys, that's broken this high and these highs. So, yeah, just looking to continue this upward momentum. If we scroll out quite a bit, guys, so I've got a couple of targets. This is the first one here, this blue line, because of, you know, there's potential resistance here. So that's at 142.14. And then my next target is 143, a nice psychological level. Okay, so that's what we're looking at, guys, in terms of our targets. If we drop down to the H1 now, yeah, we've got quite a few entries here. So price, and this is one of the reasons I hedge, guys. Yeah, so I get a lot of questions about this in my Discord and what's the idea of hedging. And it's basically this. So my day view is to buy this pair. The day trend is in an uptrend. I'm looking to buy this pair. So we've got many levels. So price could retrace to here. Okay. And we get a bullish reaction. Okay. We can enter the trade and try to take price back up to here. Yeah. If that doesn't happen, price could retrace to this gray zone. Yeah. Which has been resistance here and also historically as well back here. Again, I just want to see a bullish reaction here and we can look to take price higher. Or price could come all the way down to this gray zone where price has reacted historically. Okay, and further back here, guys. And again, we want to see a bullish reaction, yeah, to take price higher. So we've got quite a few levels for us to trade from. All right. You know, and let's imagine, yeah, we get our bullish candle, okay, and we enter our first buy here. Okay, I will hedge below it. If that's unsuccessful, I'll wait for a reaction here. Let's say we get another reaction here. I'll buy again, put a new hedge. Let's say this is wrong. Get my hedge. Yeah. Get another reaction. I'll buy here, put my hedge here. Because all of this movement to the downside is still in keeping with the day chart. Yeah. It's still in a day uptrend, daily uptrend. Okay. So any of these levels could end up making us money. Yeah. The truth is we don't know. Yeah. We just wait for a reaction at these levels. And then when we hedge, we can take price here, making a small profit on the downside before price comes back up and carries on in the direction of the day chart, the day trend. Okay, so a brief insight into hedging there, guys, because I get a lot of questions about it. But any of these levels, bullish reaction, we can buy US dollar, Japanese yen. That's the first trade idea. I'm also seeing a bit of Swiss franc weakness again. So first of all, let's look at pound Swiss franc. So if we look at the day chart, guys, yeah, I'm zooming out quite a bit because you can see we've still got a bit of room potentially up to this area of resistance here. Okay. If I zoom in a bit more now, so that's my target, guys. Yeah, let me zoom out again. This 1,500 level. Okay. Yeah, it's a big psychological level there. Okay. If we zoom in a bit now, you can see that price has broken all of these highs. Yeah, this has just broken this last high. Yeah, and it's a very bullish wick. So everything tells me price should get back up to here. Let me zoom in so you can see that a bit clearer, guys. Yeah, you can see this bullish candle has broken this last high here. Okay. So we're looking to buy this pair. We're in an uptrend. We've broken some resistance in here. Yeah, let's go for it. If we drop down to the H1 now, we've got this level here. Okay. So, you know, I'm going to put another level through here as well. Okay. So price, first of all, could come down into this gray zone here. Right. It already has. Yeah, because price has reacted here, here, and here. So if we get a bullish reaction in this gray zone and the moving average 20, yeah, we can look to buy this pair. Okay. If that doesn't happen, guys, price might want to, you know, break down a little bit further, but there's clearly some support through here as well, guys. So if price retraces all the way down to here, again, we can look for a bullish reaction and start buying this pair. All right, so a couple of grey zones for pound Swiss franc. Like I said, guys, there's a bit of Swiss franc weakness, also euro Swiss franc. I know you've had enough of me talking about euro Swiss franc. But let's talk about it some more. And before I talk about it, guys, I've still got more trade ideas as well. So, guys, if you're new to the channel and you're enjoying my trade ideas, my analysis, then come join the channel. Everyone subscribe to the channel and smash that notification button. And everyone right now, if you're new to the channel or an old timer, everyone please just take 2 seconds and smash that like button while I have a drink. Okay, thank you guys for supporting the channel. So let's start with the day chart, guys. So euro Swiss franc, as I mentioned in the recap, guys, this is freshly broken. Yeah, like morning dew. I don't know what I'm talking about. Okay, so ever since price is broken out of this range, yeah, it was in a downtrend, got into a range, and then this candle here broke out of the range. So it's freshly broken. This is a fresh uptrend. Okay. And if we look at the candles, we've had this big rejection wick, and on Friday we got this bullish candle. Okay. So the idea is to still take price higher. Okay. So yeah, still like this trade, guys. If we drop down to the H1 now, we've got a couple of ways we can trade this pair. So price, so we're already with H1 structure, which we like. Yeah, we're with H1 structure, so we could just follow that up. You know, maybe you get, you know, a bit of a reaction here, and we could carry on, you know, following this H1 structure upwards. Okay, so that's an idea, first of all. Or price could come back all the way down and test this grey zone. Yeah, what was once resistance is now support. We could get a reaction in here. Yeah, bullish reaction, and then we could take price higher. I would take some profit at this level and let some run. Or, yeah, we get a break of maybe price comes up here. You know, before we even wake up, price could be up around here. Yeah. And then price, you know, if we break this grey zone, perhaps get a bit of a retest, we can start buying this pair as well. Okay, because this has become quite an important level through here. So if we get a break of this level, we can also start buying this pair. So a few scenarios on how we can buy euro Swiss franc. The last trade, okay, yeah, I am looking at this as well, is euro New Zealand, guys. All right. So this was a trade idea on Friday. Yeah, and it's still a trade idea today. So let's have a look. So price shot up. Ever since then, it's been breaking down. Okay, and this is where we find ourselves. So we could potentially take price down to here, the last lows, or even potentially back down to this level here, guys. Okay, but it's in a downtrend. Look at these wicks. Yeah, this level here, sellers have just been rejecting that level. Buyers are bringing up to that level. Sellers are like, thank you very much. Sellers are like, we'll take over now. Okay, so yeah, it's really been rejecting this level. Okay. And again, guys, from Friday, not much has changed. Again, we've got a couple of scenarios on how we can trade this. So this gray zone through here has become very important. Yeah, if we get a break of this zone, yeah, I think we can come back down to this 7,450 level. Okay, yeah, but we need a break of this smaller gray zone here. It's a gray zone within a gray zone. This is the smaller gray zone, guys. Just need a break of this smaller one. Okay. Or price could make its way back up to here because it has kind of been ranging, guys. Yeah. And then we get a bearish reaction in here, and then we could take price lower. I'd take some profit here and then leave some profit to run. All right, guys. So, yeah, they're all the trade ideas for today. And if you've enjoyed my trade ideas, everyone smash the like button and come join the channel. All right, let's take a look at the news now. So news for Monday the 12th of June. So Australia, it is King's birthday. Happy birthday to the King. Yeah, off, very nice. Enjoy your holiday, Australia. And as you can see after that, guys, Monday is a bit of a free day to trade. Yeah, no big news. Yeah, so yeah, free to trade on Monday, guys. All right. So yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget the live stream today, 8 a.m. New York EST. Get all your questions ready, and I'll see you then, guys. All right. Catch you later.